raw material of PEX piping is high-density polyethylene, which undergoes either chemical or physical cross-linking technology to transform its linear molecular structure into three-dimensional network structure. This modification brings about three major breakthrough improvements. First, enhanced heating resistant, capable of withstanding extreme temperatures from -70 to 110 Celsius. And second, improved mechanical strength is creep resistant, is 50 times greater than that of conventional plastic. And third, extended service life, with lifespan exceeding 50 years. Its fast pass galvanized steel pipe, which typically lasts only 5 to 10 years. IFAN brand offers a comprehensive range of cross-linking solutions to meet diverse engineering requirements. Our PEX pipe classifications includes PEX A, over highest flexibility, ideal for complex underfloor heating layouts. PEX B provides the best cost-performance ratio, widely used in residential water supply system. PEX C, chemically residue-free, specifically designed for portable water system. PEX aluminum PEX composite pipe features an aluminum oxygen barrier layer, ideal for high temperatures circulating system in central air conditioning application. For the PEX pipe connecting fitting, we have plastic, brass, and installation tool. Plastic fitting is lightweight and suitable for home application. Brass fitting resistant to high pressure, ensuring reliability in commercial air conditioning environments with vibration. And installation tool, we have pressing tool, crimping tool, pipe cutter, and etc. The PEX piping system offers unparalleled advantage in terms of flexibility, durability, and ease of installation. Only 6 times of PEX diameter, enabling vein and cordon bypass without the need for 90% traditional elbows. Supports crimping, expansion, and the 4-out connections types, making installation in confined space simple and efficient. Brass compression fitting with stand up to 60 kilograms per square centimeter and ensure leak-free long-term hot water transportation at 110 Celsius. Resists stress cracking, ensuring no deformation during underfloor heating backfilling. Duct kings can be connected using hot air gun without cutting the pipe. Safer for basement installation, eliminating the need for welding torch. Exceeds national standards by 30%, contributing to a 15% improvement in energy efficiency in heating systems. Precise cutting using IFAN cutter to ensure a clean, burr-free pipe end. Pipe expansion. Expand the pipe end using IFAN rounder. Quick insertion. Insert the pipe into fitting until reached connection depths. Visual confirmations ensure proper installation. Failure to fully insert may lead leakage. Secure connection. Using a crimping plier to compress the crimp ring around the joint until the connection is fully secure. Pressure testing. Conduct a water pressure test to check the leaks. Maintain pressure for 30 minutes. Zero leakage indicates a successful installation. Installation tips. Environment below 5 Celsius. Preheat the PEX pipe before installation. For outdoor pipeline, it is recommended to apply an insulation sleeve to prevent freezing. From residential water supply system to large-scale municipal engineering projects, we provide reliable and efficient pipe solution tailored to your needs. Trust IFAN to bring professional piping system within your reach, simplifying complexity, ensuring safety, and enhancing performance.